Hey everyone, ever spent 20 minutes modeling a single door? Yeah, me too. Not anymore. Watch this. Boom. Ready to save some serious time? Let's go. Need to place doors fast? The ML Doors extension gives you instant access to a complete library of professional door presets, and they cut through walls automatically. Let's see how it works. This is ML Doors version 2.30, a complete parametric door system for SketchUp. Everything starts with the toolbar. Let's open the door library. Click the door library icon. This opens your complete catalog of preset doors, hinged, sliding, pocket, single, and double configurations. Each preset shows a thumbnail preview and the door name. The library automatically filters to match your model's units. If you're working in centimeters, you'll only see metric presets. Same for inches. To place a door, just click any preset, and you're instantly ready to place. No extra steps, no configuration needed, the fastest workflow possible. Notice the cursor changes to a door icon. This means the Place Door tool is now active and ready. Let's put this door on a wall. Hover over any wall. It must be a group or component for the tool to recognize it. You'll see a blue outline preview showing exactly where the door will be placed. This preview updates in real time as you move. The tool works with walls at any angle. Doesn't matter if it's straight or angled, the door aligns perfectly to the wall face. The extension calculates everything automatically. The tool also auto-detects wall thickness. If your wall is thicker or thinner than the door's configured depth, the system overrides the setting to ensure a perfect fit through the entire wall. No gaps, no overlap. Before you click, you can control the door's position using the left and right arrow keys. Press right arrow to align the door to the right corner of the opening. Press left arrow to cycle through the modes center, then left corner. These are your three insertion modes: right corner, center, and left corner. Let's use center mode for this placement. Notice the status bar confirms the current mode. This setting persists, so if you place multiple doors in a row, they'll all use the same insertion mode until you change it. Click to place. The door appears immediately, and the wall opening is automatically cut using advanced geometry operations. The door sits perfectly flush with both wall faces, and the opening is clean and professional. Look at the precision. The opening goes completely through the wall, matching the detected wall thickness. No manual cutting, no cleanup required. The extension handles all the geometry for you. The door is a complete assembly: jamb, casing, door leaf, and hardware, all positioned and oriented correctly. Everything is organized in a single group, making it easy to select and manage. The tool stays active so you can place multiple doors of the same preset. Just keep clicking on walls. When you're done, press space to exit the tool or open the door library to select a different preset. Let me show you the speed. I'll place 4 more doors in different locations, switching insertion modes on the fly with the arrow keys. Watch how fast this workflow is compared to traditional modeling. In just seconds, you can populate an entire floor plan: bedroom, bathroom, closet, main entrance, all with professional, fully detailed doors. This is the power of a preset library combined with intelligent placement. Every door is properly sized, oriented, and cut through the wall. No manual cleanup, no Boolean operations to run yourself, just click and place. The door library gives you instant access to professional presets. Just click a door, hover over a wall, use the arrow keys to set the position, and click to place. The wall cutting is automatic and the result is flawless. The library includes hinged, sliding, pocket, and doorways, all ready to go. But what if you need something completely custom? Next up, we dive into the new door dialog, where you can design any door you can imagine with full parametric control and a real-time 3D preview. Hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.